What's up everybody, in this video I will be telling you how to install the Gcmob APK in your smart Android TV. For that the process is very simple. Make sure that you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So first thing first, make sure that you have a USB device and you have plugged it in your PC. So after that all you have to do is to go to the Google Chrome. You can do this stuff on your smart Android TV as well. Go to the Google Chrome and search Gcmob APK download. So once you do it, you will be redirected to the such of website. Go to the APK Pure website, and in here all you have to do is to download the APK and make sure that you download it in the USB. So once you have done that, what you have to do next is go to your Firestick home screen and open settings. Then in the My Fire TV, go to the developer options. After you have go to the developer option, enable apps from unknown resources. Make sure that you toggle this option on, otherwise you won't be able to install the application. After that, go return to the home screen and search for the downloader application. Install the downloader app and launch it. In the downloader app, enter the URL to download the Gcmob APK. Or if you have downloaded the APK that the way I have told you, all you have to do is to just open it up and install it in your TV. So that way you will be able to install the APK file and open Gcmob from the app section. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful.